Ready to share your presentation with an audience? AhaSlides makes it easy to present slides while collecting live responses, running polls, hosting quizzes, and keeping participants engaged. In this guide, I'll show you how to present slides with AhaSlides in 2026. First, sign in to your AhaSlides account and open the presentation you want to deliver. Make sure all of your slides, polls, and interactive elements are ready before you begin. Before going live, preview the presentation and test any interactive features. This helps ensure everything displays correctly and works as expected. Once you're ready, click the Present button. AhaSlides will launch your presentation and generate a participation code, QR code, and join link for your audience. Ask participants to enter the join code, scan the QR code, or open the presentation link on their devices. They can join using phones, tablets, or computers. Use your keyboard, mouse, or presentation controls to move through the slides. As you advance, participants will see each slide in real time. When you reach polls, quizzes, word clouds, or question and answer slides, allow time for participants to respond. Watching responses appear live can make your presentation much more engaging. After collecting responses, discuss the results with your audience and use the feedback to encourage conversation, learning, or decision-making. And that's how to present slides with AhaSlides in 2026. By combining traditional slides with live audience participation, you can create presentations that are more interactive, memorable, and effective. So launch your next presentation and start engaging your audience in real time. Thanks for watching.